Fort Pierce, Florida Intracoastal Waterway. That is a Mariner Yacht International 40 sedan named Mystic from Freeport, Texas, headed north through Fort Pierce 26-foot drawbridge, also known as the North Draw. And we're 966 miles from Norfolk, Virginia on the Intracoastal Waterway. There's a red marker. You may not notice, but there's a yellow decal on it that denotes this is the Intracoastal. And as we head south right now, we're going through the turning basin. Fort Pierce has a very small ship terminal. You can see a big white ship over there right now. Say big, it's about 250 feet. And there's our 65-foot bridge. And then here, look at this green number
187.
187. Somebody got a little too close to that. I wonder if they scratched up the gel coat or the handrails on their boat. Mind you, that's an I-beam. That's not a wooden telephone pilot. So looking way out there, I'm going to zoom out and kill the camera. That is the ocean. So all of these sailboats are going to the Bahamas from Fort Pierce Ship Channel. If you want to learn more about cruising, ask Captain Chris.